Hello friends, this is Dr. K again came with a new video. Friends, today we will discuss what is monkeypox virus. Friends, monkeypox virus is a disease that is caused by a virus named monkeypox. It is a viral infection and the disease has the tendency to spread by contacting the wild animals. Friends, human to human transmission is due to contact with contaminated material like the blood or respiratory droplets. Friends, the monkeypox virus is similar to the smallpox virus and is mostly found in West Africa and Central Africa. The first case of the monkeypox virus is reported in 1970 in Congo. After that, other monkeypox virus cases were reported in 11 African countries. Friends, in the United States of America in the spring of 2003, some cases of monkeypox virus were reported. In September 2018, monkeypox virus case was reported in Israel 2018 and December 2019. Same cases were reported in the United Kingdom. The main reason for the virus in these countries is from Nigeria, African people who visited America and United Kingdom. Friends, now we will discuss what are the symptoms of monkeypox. Monkeypox is similar to smallpox, a disease that was eliminated in 1980 but is less transmissible, causes milder symptoms and is less deadly. If we see symptoms of monkeypox, it appears after 5 to 21 days of infection and remains for 2 to 4 weeks. Monkeypox signs typically start with combination of fever, headaches, muscle aches, exhaustion and swollen lymph nodes. The last symptom is very helpful to doctors differentiate monkeypox from chickenpox or smallpox. Fever is the important feature of monkeypox with terrible rashes starting from the face and spreading all over the body within 1 to 3 days of the disease. Friends, here a question arises: the way a person gets monkeypox. Now friends, we will discuss the transmissions of monkeypox. People can be affected by monkeypox virus when they have direct contact with an infected animal or contact with contaminated material or with an infected human. The virus passes in the body through rect, skin, respiratory tract or mucous membrane. How monkeypox can be treated? As monkeypox is spread due to monkeypox virus from animal, there is no proper proven treatment available for monkeypox virus infection. To treat this virus, smallpox vaccine and vaccina immune globulin is mostly used. Friends, at the initial stage of disease, patients suffer from fever, muscle aches, swollen lymph nodes, chills and exhaustion. A rash can grow often starting on the face, then spread the other portion of the body, mainly the hands and feet. Why do people think monkeypox come from monkeys? Monkeypox was primarily exposed in 1958 when 2 outbreaks of pox-like sickness happened in group of monkeys reserved for study. Hereafter the name monkeypox. In 1970, first human case of monkeypox was noted in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Friends, it is a common question: what happens if you get monkeypox? Friends, when a person is affected with the virus of monkeypox, then after 12 days, its symptoms show to the person affected by the virus. He can face fever, muscle aches, suffer from swollen lymph nodes and feel discomfort and exhaustion. People think monkeypox is highly contagious. Monkeypox virus has 17 to 14 days incubation period, and during this time monkeypox is not contagious. The incubation period can vary from 17 to 14 days to 5 to 21 days. Friend, is monkeypox mortal? Approximation of death rate for monkeypox in Africa fluctuate from 1% to 15%. Young children are the higher risk of death and the mortality rate in unvaccinated children was 15 to 20%. Friends, now we will discuss how can you save yourself from the monkeypox virus. By adopting the following things, you can prevent yourself to be infected by the monkeypox virus. Number 1. Do not touch or contact infected animals. Number 2. Take care of your hands. Wash them when contacted with an infected animal or person. Number 3. Do not use contaminated bed and material. Friends, this is all about the monkeypox virus. Friends, if you like the video, please share with others and also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about all our new videos. Thank you very much.